Hello guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every third day. In video today, I'm going to be sharing with you all episode number 4. This is the last episode for decorating clothes ideas, which is DIY budgets for clothes. I know there are so many ideas to guide you making budgets out there and on small embroidery budget. If you have no skill to embroidery or affected with embroidery things, let me show you the ideal way to do, but you don't need to put much effort. I call it is felt cloth budgets. Okay, let's get started. We need some felt cloth in some colors of your choice. Some thread. I picked up thread for jeans in yellow, a needle, a pen to draw in, a scissor, a glue, and the shirt or any clothes that you want to patch. I already drawn the oval that I want to make a badge. Please draw any ideas as you like. Then I divide into 8 parts of the oval and cut them out 8 pieces of paper like this. From there, I put every single pieces on the felt cloth in color that I choose and trace out. When I finish traces, cut out all of them. Here are all the pieces of felt cloth that I need to make our badge. Now I'll use glue to stick some parts together. I'm going to sticking all the parts of our head together and our body together. Then I'm using thread to sew in by hand at the edges. This is the very easy and simple stitching. It looks like a multiply. Next, I'm going to sticking the bottom into our head, the feet into our body and stitching them together. After that's all done, I go sticking the owl head into the body and also stitching. Now I'm going to apply the other head to make the owl look evenly. Trace and cut out the excess felt cloth and stick it into behind the owl head. I just finished the felt cloth batch. Now it's time to apply it on the shirt. I place it where I want and pasting to keep it in place. I'm starting to stitching around the owl edges. When I finish stitching our badge on shirt, I'll cut off the thread that I pasted before to finish. And here is the final result. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial to making your clothes new life. See you next week. Bye!